The future of smart adventure riding is here, and Honda may have just raised the bar once again. Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub HUB, where we bring you the latest and smartest machines on two wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the newly revealed 2026 Honda NC750X, a motorcycle that blends intelligence, practicality, and adventure like never before. At first glance, the NC750X carries Honda's signature adventure styling, sharp bodywork, aggressive stance, and a purposeful touring design. But this bike is not just about looks. It's engineered for riders who want a machine that performs just as well on daily commutes as it does on weekend escapes. At the heart of the 2026 NC750X sits Honda's proven 745cc parallel twin engine. This engine is tuned for smooth, torque-rich delivery, making acceleration feel effortless whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway. It's efficient, responsive, and built for real-world riding, exactly what adventure riders need. One of the standout features is Honda's smart technology integration. With advanced ride modes and traction control, the NC750X adapts to different road conditions, giving riders confidence in rain, city streets, or open highways. The available dual-clutch transmission offers seamless shifting, allowing you to focus more on the ride and less on gear changes. But what truly separates this bike from the competition is its practical design. Honda replaces the traditional fuel tank area with a built-in storage compartment, large enough to hold a helmet or travel essentials. This clever innovation transforms everyday usability and makes the NC750X one of the most rider-friendly adventure bikes on the market. Comfort is another major highlight. The upright riding position, balanced chassis, and tuned suspension create a smooth and controlled experience, whether you're riding short distances or planning long journeys. The bike feels stable, predictable, and welcoming for riders of all experience levels. Technology continues inside the cockpit with a modern display system that keeps essential ride information clear and accessible. Combined with LED lighting and aerodynamic bodywork, the NC750X delivers both safety and style in one refined package. So what makes the 2026 Honda NC750X possibly the smartest adventure bike Honda has built? It's the perfect balance of performance, efficiency, innovation, and practicality. This is a motorcycle designed not just for adventure, but for everyday life. If you're looking for a bike that can commute during the week and explore on the weekend, the NC750X stands as a powerful reminder that smart engineering can completely transform the riding experience. Thanks for riding with Smart Drive Hub, where innovation meets the open road.